How often are you doing your makeup and you mess up on your eyeliner? It's like the literal worst thing you can do, and it happens to me all the time, especially when I'm doing makeup on my clients. Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, your weekly beauty reporter. Today I'm coming to you with a makeup tip. I try to alternate between hair tips and makeup tips and skin tips, all things beauty. Let me know if you like that style or if you prefer something else. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top tip to fix a messed up eyeliner. If you're in a rut and you're either doing it on yourself or on your client and you just don't know what to do in that moment, especially if you have a full face like so, it's a little bit easier if you do your eyeliner first before putting on a full face, but even then sometimes some errors can happen. For me, I oftentimes do the eyeliner last just because I don't want it to smear into the other makeup, but everyone has their own technique. So I'm going to accidentally mess up on my eyeliner. Okay, so as you can see, we messed up. We have a line down here, we have something right here. So what you want to do is immediately grab a toothpick, or they have those other type of little items that you can grab, and just kind of wipe away the part you don't want. You want to try to do it while it's still wet. So as you can see here, I'm grabbing all of this product that we messed up down here. The part that I was not trying to get on the eye, and I'm just taking this is dry. You don't want to do it wet. And then you want to make sure that you always have your concealer handy, because what you want to do next is just take a little bit on your hand and grab a flat brush of some sort, preferably one that's a little bit on the smaller side, and you want to take the concealer and then just go and clean up, just like line the outer edge of the part that you kind of wiped away. And you want this to be the same concealer you used under your eye already. So you want to just line that up and cover any of the pieces that you may not want to be showing, like so. You want to let this sit just for a few seconds before you touch it. That way the eyeliner has time to dry, and then the concealer has time to dry just a tad bit more. You want to take a clean fluffy brush like this, and instead of using like a beauty blender or something of the sort to blend this out, you want to take your fluffy brush and you want to blend out the lower part of this so that it's seamless into the eye, like so. Then you want to take your beauty blender, the same one you've been using all over your face. This is the one I use all over my face to do my makeup. And then you just want to go in and blend out the edges like so, and it's flawless. Then what I like to do is just try to make sure that both of the sides have the same symmetry as far as the under eye goes. So then I'll just go to the other side, blend it out, and make sure that it looks perfect. Now if you have to go back in and fix your eyeliner some more for whatever reason, this would be the time to do it after you've done the correction. The key with fixing the eyeliner is that you want to remove it while it's still wet. If you're using a like eyeliner pencil, those usually aren't as wet as this, so it's a little bit easier to clean those up, but they do smudge a little bit more. I would use the same technique to clean that up. I also like to have a makeup wipe handy. If it gets too messy, you know, you can go in with the makeup wipe and remove any of the excess product, and then do the same technique with the under eye concealer. Sometimes if you don't blend it correctly, it can look funny because you've already applied powder, and at this point, like for me, I'm usually like in the last few stages and I'm like, okay, shoot, what can I do? And then if you mess up on the top part of the eyeliner, I don't necessarily have any color on the top part of my eyeliner, but what I would do is go in with a flat brush like so, and with the color that I was using, it's usually some type of like glitter or darker color, and just pat that color on top of the liner to kind of clean it up. And then again, go on with the same flat brush that you were using to clean up your eye or to blend out the product, and then just blend that out without touching the top part. In this video, we learned how to clean up an eyeliner if there was a failed mistake, either on your client, either on yourself, and how you can fix it in the moment without having a freak out moment. I truly don't believe there's a lot of people talking about the mess ups of makeup. They say that this is the right and the wrong way to do it, but how do you fix a mess up? If you like videos like these, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what other technique or makeup trick that you often find yourself messing up with and how to fix it in that moment. So far, I think the next one I'm going to do is, this happens to me often, is if I put way too much contour, how do I level back, and then how do I move forward without it looking all muddy and icky and not what you wanted? Be sure to check out these 2 makeup videos here, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles.